debt. How long do they have to sue you for this debt? That is the question. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about the statute of limitations and how long these companies actually have to sue you before the statute of limitations expires. My name is credit coach Nicole Scott. If you are new here, make sure you have subscribed to the channel, turn those bell notifications on, and most importantly, check in the comments. Let me know you have found me. Welcome. I'm so happy that you're here. And for those of you that are returning, thank you so much for supporting my channel. It means the world to me. Now, number one, if you need copies of your credit report, there are links below in the description. You can get your FICO credit reports from 𝑪𝒓𝒅𝒊𝒕 for only $1. They are an affiliate of mine, and it helps support my channel at no additional cost to you. Now, the statute of limitations is very important to understand because when it comes to debt for each state, it can vary. Now, here in California, the statute of limitations is 4 years. So what that means is from the time that I first became delinquent, that time clock starts. And sometimes places like to re-age that time, and it is completely illegal. They are not allowed to re-age it. It is what it is. The data speaks for itself. But they would only have X amount of years to sue you for this debt and take you through a small claims court. You have to show up if you do get sued, because if you don't, you're going to get a default judgment, meaning they are going to win by default because you didn't show up to protect yourself. And then once they get that default judgment, it's very hard to get it reversed. You have to go through court again and ask for the judge to vacate the default judgment. You were not aware that you had court. You were never served, blah, 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 right? But in this guide, I'm going to give you the statute of limitations for each state out there, okay? You just have to click on the button here for the statute of limitations, and it's going to cover what each state's guidelines are. So you can check out your state. Most states are going to be around that 4-year mark. Some states are a little bit longer, and some states are a little bit shorter. But nonetheless, if you are worried about them suing you, you can simply dispute the debt directly with them. This might prompt them to sue you a little bit quicker, but it's not the end of the world, because a lot of times when you go to court, when you're being sued, you can let them know, hey, I am requesting the purchase agreement. I am requesting the accounting records on how they acquired this alleged amount that they say I owe. I am also requesting any form of contract bearing my signature where I agreed to such agreement. All right. Purchase agreement, contracts, accounting records. Those are all things that you want to request if you are sued. Show up to court, dispute it, say I dispute and deny this alleged debt. I was never provided with any sort of purchase agreement, contract, or such from this company. And I guarantee you they're not going to have it with them right then and there. But nonetheless, you have to show up. You have to fight for yourself. If they can't prove it, they got to remove it. Okay. So make sure to get this guide, where you can also, go online and check it out yourself if you didn't want to purchase the guide. But I make these guides for you guys, super affordable for anyone who is serious to learn more about credit, especially if you are going to be starting a credit repair business of your own or helping other people with their credit. You gotta know these type of things, right? I only know California because I'm here in California, but for my other clients, I always look it up for them or just use my guide, to be honest with you. And with this guide, not only do you get this section, but 26 other credit repair secrets. It's also included in the community. If you wanted to join the community, just comment the word community and I will send you exclusive access so you can join, because once you get all these negative accounts cleared up from your credit, you want to get Tradelines, and I am your trusted Tradeline vendor. You will also get a discount on Tradelines when you become a member of the credit community. I hope that was helpful for you guys, but most importantly, you are the one that needs to take action. Make sure to watch all rest of the 26 videos in this series as well. I'll see you on the next one. Take care.